ports in this router. We have only 4 ports I think we have here. Let me try to connect here from anywhere, here to here or anywhere. Okay, maybe I'm connecting to the wrong port. Let me move like this and connect here. From any company, maybe this side to this side. Cable cannot connect to the port. We have here, how many ports we have? Let me save the configuration here. Show IP interface brief. We have here how many ports we have? Okay, we have 4 ports and all 4 we use. Okay, 4 we have, we have here how many? We have 4. This is 2. This one we do sub interface. So we have 1, this one, fast Ethernet 1 by 1. This one we can connect. Why it is not working? Okay, here you don't have the port. So go here, you can add the port here. Go here, you can add the port here. You can click here and you can read 2 fast Ethernet. So just drag and drop here, then power off the router. After that you can connect, you can take this automatic cable and you can connect here. Okay, so here you need to do that configuration here. You are connecting this side. So here you need to assign some IP and this one is in area 1. And here should be area 1. Remaining we have area 0. So that will be the ABR, and here also some interface are in area 0 I think. So we will connect here. Let me do now. So whatever IP we will use here I can put here. Let's see like what IP we will use in between these 2 routers. This router is 3 and this one is 6. 36 we can use 36 network. So I will put here, or I will put 36. Let me put here so no one will confuse. 192.168.36.0/24. This is a network. So we need to do that one. I will go here in this router. This router is R3. So we can go here R3. Where is the R3 configuration? Here. This is the switch. So router we can check here R3. So maybe it is above. Let's go here. Where is R3? R3 is here. So we need to add one more interface here. So here I can add. Let me add here. Interface. What is that interface we are connected just now? In the router 3, F1 by 1. This one we connected F1 by 1. Interface F1 by 1. IP address we can give 192.168. What is that IP we told we are going to use in between? This is 36. So 36.1. Give space 255.255.255.0. No shut. And we need to enable the OSPF. So this is the interface. We have some interface in area 0. So we can use area 0 here also. So I will use this interface here, and newly whatever we added I will copy this. I am enabling the OSPF under the interface. Okay, area 0 I use area 0. So we need to use same thing there also, area 0. Opposite directly connected should be in the same area. So let me go here and first of all assign the IP address. Okay, then we will enable here. So I will go here, I will put the IP assign, then the OSPF, this one I will put here. This I will assign that interface in the area 0. Now we can check also. Show IP interface brief. So we have this show IP root. Okay, show IP OSPF interface brief. So which interface are in that one? F1 by 1 is also there. So here we done. So now we need to do to the other place. So I will copy this configuration, and which router we need to do, that is router 6. So we need to go to the router 6. Where is our router 6? This one is the router 6. So I will add here interface. So here interface is added. that interface is 1/0. So here 1/0. Okay, and here, so here what we done here, if you see, we added this interface and IP I will change here, and then we need to enable the OSPF under that interface. So I can copy this same thing, I will put this here, and here I can put that interface, whatever interface I added just now. So this interface we need to add in the router. So let me go to the router, this router I will add here. Okay, config T and paste the configuration. So interface should have the IP. Then we will enable the OSPF here. I will save the configuration and we can check show IP route. Show IP route. Still we are not getting the route. Show IP route. We need to check. We need to do the troubleshooting. If it is not working, then what we need to do? Okay. Wait for some time and see here you are getting the routes. Okay, you are getting the routes now, all the routes from different places. You can write show IP route OSPF and check here. Okay, so if you see here we are getting the route from all the places here. See here all the places you are getting the route here. So now let me save the configuration. We connected the head office with the branch office and we need to check what we can do here. From this PC we can try to ping this one, this PC. So for PC, which PC? This one. I'm using this 4.2, but here I think you have different IP because we use the DHCP now. Before it is 4.2. 70.11, this one. 70.11 we can ping from here. So I can say here 70.11 and we can check. It should work. This is head office and the branch office. Branch office guy is communicating with the head office. So this one done successfully, but we need to add more thing here. Okay, we need to add more thing here. So here we need to add some printer, we need to add the access point. So we will see that one later, we will add one by one. But now you can see head office, branch office are communicating with each other. I will save this, I will save the notepad also, and all the configuration whatever we done here, I think I save already. This one also, and here if you see this one, right, which one we added here. So I save here also, and you can check here also that route, you will get the route here also. If you write here WR and write show IP route, you can see all the routes are present. Or if you want to filter with OSPF only, filter here, you are getting all the routes here. If this machine want to access this server, what is the server IP? You can see here, this is the 60.12. So this one is the 60.12. So you can go here, go to the browser, open the browser, put the 60.12 and check. Here I will write 192.168.60.12 and check you are able to access that web services or not. Yes, you can access the web services. So head office guys are accessing the branch office server. Okay, so most of the thing we done here, but still we need to add more thing in this one. So try to watch this series. We have more video, maybe we will have 20 or 50 videos for this project. I am making a small video, 8 minute video, so it will, you can easily watch. So let's see, we will meet in our next class and we will continue. What we need to do now, we connected the head office with the branch office. They are checking. We can add the printer, we can add the DNS server, and we can put all the DNS entry. And then if you want to allow all this to go to internet, we will connect the internet also. We can do the NAT pad. Slowly we will do all that thing. Try to watch this video, and if you have any doubts, write in the chat. Okay, thank you, bye.